All right, we are here at the Alexander Hotel in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we're gonna take a ride on the lobby elevator. And we got a Schindler here to ride. A 2-floor 400A. Here we go. Again, it's a stainless steel cab, very boring, but I have never seen anything like it. A 2-floor 400A. We have to take another ride on this for sure. This is very rare. There's the hotel lobby. And it's got another panel over here too. I've never seen a panel like that. This is a very unique installation. Yeah, I'm feeling we should take another ride on this. And it's very quick as well. I've never seen anything like it. This thing is epic. There it goes. That'll be it.